Hi and welcome back. My name is Njeri Mbugua and I am the founder of V-Wave Enterprises, which is your number one home of projects in Kenya. We offer a diverse range of services in technology, construction, real estate, agriculture, and daily errands, all designed to meet the specific needs of the Kenyans in the diaspora. We pride ourselves on providing honest, competent, and integrity-driven services to our clients. As I stand here today, I can't help but reflect on the incredible journey that has brought me to this moment. The Dr. GeorgeWachiuri Mentorship Program has been more than just a course. It has been a transformative experience that has equipped me with the tools and knowledge to succeed in both my personal and professional life. Before joining this program, I had hit rock bottom. I had lost a business and a significant amount of money, and I felt completely lost and directionless. I did not know how to move forward or if I even wanted to try. It was during this time that I stumbled upon Dr. George Wachiuri's story of losing a lot of money in a failed business, thanks to Lynn Ngugi Rebuilding series. His vulnerability and honesty resonated with me deeply. I realized that even successful people face setbacks, and it is how they respond to those challenges that determines their ultimate success. Inspired by Dr. George Wachiuri's story, I decided to enroll in his mentorship program. I devoured his books, Soaring Like an Eagle, Unleashing Your Full Potential, and After the Plunge. These books provided me with the guidance, motivation, and strategies I needed to rebuild my life and my business. I also became an avid listener of Dr. George Wachiuri's YouTube channel, where he shares his wisdom and insights on a variety of topics related to business, leadership, and personal development. His teachings have been invaluable in helping me develop the skills and mindset necessary for success. Through the mentorship program, I learned the importance of goal setting, effective communication, networking, time management, leadership, resilience and adaptability, continuous learning, empathy and emotional intelligence, confidence, career development, giving back to the community, and faith in God. These lessons have been instrumental in helping me overcome the challenges I faced and rebuild my life. I am grateful for the opportunity to have been a part of this program and for the support and guidance I have received from Dr. George Wachiuri, the entire team, and my fellow cohort 5 members. V-Wave Enterprises is a testament to the power of this program. We offer a diverse range of services tailored to the needs of our Kenyan diaspora clientele. Whether you need assistance with business process automation, we design and develop websites and fully automated web-based management systems. Construction management, where we ensure our clients achieve their dreams within budget and on time. Property management through our user-friendly Naila system, or listing your property for sale or rental on V-Wave Properties. Our team of professionals is here to help. We even offer farm management services and run errands for your convenience. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, how do I find the right mentor? Or do I really need one? My answer is yes. Whether you are just starting out or you have been in business for years, having a mentor can accelerate your growth in ways you can't imagine. The key benefits of mentorship are, number one, learning from someone who has been there before can provide invaluable insights. Number two, having someone to hold you accountable can help you stay on track and achieve your goals. And finally, number three, a mentor can help you adopt a growth mindset and think bigger. I can highly recommend you register for Dr. Wachiuri Mentorship Program Cohort 6. It is an investment in yourself and your business that will pay off in dividends. As I look to the future, I am filled with excitement and anticipation. I am confident that the lessons I have learned through this program will continue to guide and inspire me as I strive to achieve my goals and make a positive impact on the world. For more details on how V-Wave Enterprises can assist you, please visit our website at www.vwaveenterprises.co.ke and follow us on social media platforms.